Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be diving right into how to use Notion to plan your camping trips for 2025. Notion is a powerful tool that can help keep you organized and stress-free as you prepare for your outdoor adventures. First up, let's start by creating a new page in Notion. This will serve as your main hub for all things camping related. It's important to have a dedicated space for your trip planning to make sure you don't miss any crucial details. Now that we've done that, let's create different sections on this page. You can create sections for packing, itinerary, meals, and more. The reason we do this is to ensure that every aspect of your trip is covered. It keeps your information well organized and easily accessible. Next up, within each section, you can make detailed lists. For instance, under packing, you can list down all the items you need to bring. This helps us because it provides a clear visual of all the items you need to remember to pack. Now let's talk about templates. Notion allows you to create templates for repetitive tasks. Say you go camping often and your packing list remains more or less the same. You can create a template for it and just duplicate it for each trip. This will save you a lot of time and effort in the future. Finally, you can use Notion's calendar feature to plan your daily itinerary. Add in your travel dates, plan your activities, and even set reminders for important tasks. This feature is a game changer because it gives you a bird's eye view of your trip, ensuring you don't miss out on anything fun. And that's it. With these steps, you can use Notion to plan your camping trips effectively and efficiently. Remember, the key is to keep things organized and detailed. So go ahead, start planning your 2025 camping trip now. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.